If you have a Roku device and you've noticed the remote is no longer working, I'm going to be taking you through a few really quick fixes to get your Roku remote up and running again. And if we can't, I'll give you other individual options that can at least get you going in the meantime. So let's go ahead and get into things. Now, this will work depending on which Roku remote you have. Now, a lot of the smaller Roku sticks come with this remote here. It's just a little thinner. This is like the Pro remote that comes with most of the Roku Ultras. This is the Roku basic remote that comes with most of the basic devices. So we'll be doing a little bit of both. Now, step number one, the first thing I suggest doing before you try anything else, unplug your power source. Yes, you'd be surprised how often just unplugging and resetting your device works for fixing your remotes. It actually works like 50% of the time, I would say. So that would be step number one. Now, if that doesn't work, we're going to do another really simple step. And that just includes taking your remote, pulling it out, and both changing or just taking your batteries out and putting them back in. This is a really taking your batteries out, which can take a while apparently, and then just plopping them back in. This is a really quick step. Now, depending on which Roku remote you have, sometimes that will automatically repair it, but often it's just a really simple step that kind of resets your remote and just gets it working and connected back to your device again. Now, depending on your Roku remote, you'll be able to do this next step. Some of the Roku remotes actually inside of the battery cavity there, where the batteries are kept, have a little button. You can kind of see it right here. It's a little hard on the camera. Let me try to focus it in here. It's just a really small little button, and all you have to do is hold it down for 5 seconds. It's just at the bottom. Hold that down, and that automatically will start repairing your remote. You can see that little green flashing light. Now, with these other Roku remotes, it does not have that. But removing the batteries and putting them back in should do essentially the exact same thing. The last option, last really good option before having to purchase a new remote, which I don't want you to have to do, is to go and download the Roku app. Now, you can get this on iOS, you can get this on Android, you can watch as I do it here. Once you're inside, sign into your Roku account, the same account you used to sign up for your device or create a new one. From there, you can go to the device section, press connect now, and this will basically search your network for your Roku device. It's going to pop up right away. You can see mine right here, the Roku Premiere. You can click on that, and now watch as I'm able to control my Roku device. It really is that simple. It's not that hard at all. Now from here, you can always go to remote and devices, right? You can see it, I'm controlling it through my phone. Go to setup new, and we can set up a new remote. So if you do go out and purchase a new Roku remote, this is a great option to just go inside, set it up. If the pairing option that I showed you earlier, by putting the batteries back in, or by pressing that one little button on the Roku Ultra remote, this will be the other option to pair it up. But honestly, using it on my phone is pretty clean and a pretty good option overall. So that's everything for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button down below if it helped you, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, check out this review here of the Roku Ultra. I'll see you guys in the next one.